In this video, I'm going to walk you through before and after our downtown Lexington renovations. It is an unbelievable remodel. You won't believe your eyes. It's absolutely amazing. It is now a vacation rental, and it's just printing money. And if you guys stay till the end, I'm going to give you my free ebook, Building Wealth Through Real Estate Investing. Enjoy. This is our Lexington, Kentucky condo gut. This place was built in the late 70s, and this is an all original unit. We're going to gut it and redo it. Popcorn ceilings, soffit, which makes the ceiling lower. There's a lot of walls and it's closed in a lot. So we're going to open that up. We've been painting for another unit in here, so carpet everywhere, popcorn ceilings, couple closets. This is the master, pretty good size. I'm going to remove this wall here, I think. Open this room up a little bit. Remove this wall here. Make it one big open space. Good size living room, dining room combination. There's a wet bar there, which I think we're going to take all that out. Just kind of open it all up. Remove this patio and make some more interior living space. Remove all that soffit. Really just opening everything up. Look at that beauty. It's just all closed in. Nice size bedrooms, 2 bedroom, 2 bath. Nice closet. Completely redo the bathroom. Well, we're gutting this whole thing to the studs. What's up? You can see it's just really dated. Everything about this place is dated, but not for long. Another little closet here we're just going to do away with. Second bathroom. Again, it's functional, it's just very dated. If you guys like these videos, please subscribe to my channel. You'll get notified every time I upload a video. Also, put any comments that you'd like to either know, if you have questions, or if you'd like to see me do a video about something else. Comment below. All right, so we're Just about to show you the final renovation on our downtown Lexington condo. It's now a vacation rental. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you like these videos, and you'll be notified every time I upload. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera around, let's go. Hey, remember what this looked like? Just turned out amazing. Remember, there was a wall here and a big wall there, and this was a hallway. Check out the ceiling. Remember those old popcorn ceiling? Isn't this just an amazing renovation? Remember the patio? We took the patio out. It's where those two aqua chairs are. Just made a little more space. Remember that dining room chandelier? This one's really a focal point of this unit. Remember that old tub? That's the toilet. The old cabinets. We raised these. I'm 6'4", so I always raise the cabinets, the bathroom, and especially to about 6 inches higher. Look at this, how this turned out. Just beautiful. There was an old mirror there. Dual shower heads. And the kitchen again.